And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a logo using the rotate tool in Adobe Illustrator. Let us start with an ellipse. I hold shift and then I align it to the center. I swap the colors, I only have a stroke and no fill. Now I press Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl B to paste it in the back, and I resize the one in the back holding shift and alt. Let me use the ellipse tool again. I go somewhat to the center and I hold shift and alt. I release it. It's not perfect. I press Ctrl Y for the outline mode and I can see the left side is not perfect. I hold shift when I drag it to the right. And now it's positioned in the center and it has the size of the two bigger circles. I use the arrow keys to put it to the left. Now I go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Click on Preview, increase the offset. Maybe 8 points is good. I select them both, then I use the rotate tool. I'll hold Alt, go to the center and left click. I want to have 4 of these, so 360 divided by 4, and press copy. Afterwards I'll simply press Ctrl D 2 times, and I've got these 4 circles correctly positioned. I use the line segment tool, go to the center, hold shift and alt, and then I rotate it 45 degrees. That's good, make sure it's selected, use the rotate tool again, hold alt, left click on the center, 90 degrees, and copy. I shift click on the 2 lines and then I use Object, Path, Offset Path. I'm gonna make the offset smaller, or maybe 5 pixels is a good value. Alright. Now I select it all and I use the Shape Builder tool. I hold Alt to get rid of shapes. For example here in the center position. I need to work on that afterwards. Let me get rid of this, and now I can get rid of the center. Right, that was a mistake. I press Ctrl Z. I don't want to get rid of these and I want to connect the smaller circle over here. So I always hold Alt when I want to get rid of shapes and I release Alt when I want to connect them. We're almost done here. Let me select these smaller ones and I delete them with the delete key. Alright. So if we now want to select these 4 individual segments in the middle, we can't ungroup them, which is a problem. So don't forget to use the Shape Builder tool to click on each. It looks like nothing has happened, but in fact we've created 4 individual shapes that we now can select individually. Let me swap the colors for everything, and now I use a simple color palette that's by default up here in the color swatches of the fill color. I want to change the color for the circles as well. Maybe I change this color, make it a little bit lighter, just one step. Alright, now I can select it or right click group to make it one, and now I rotate it. Well, let me try 60, and that looks fine. And this is how you can create such a logo using the rotate tool in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.